Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is silk pillow cover mockup. These files for latest version of Photoshop and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app and daily update password when I upload any new video. Okay, so open this one. Here is a 1 2 3 already open, and here is a 1 2. So you see here is a shadow, here is a background, here is a wall color. You can change it, and you see okay, and here is a background color. Double click, depend your own choice. I think this better. Okay, so pillow 1 and pillow 2, double click, delete this sample test and import your design. I have no design, so apply this one, drag here, no, enter, Ctrl S for saving and wait for saving, close it, and you see our design is here. Color 2, oh sorry, pillow 2, delete this sample text atom, import this one, drag there, no, okay, Control S for saving, close it, and our pillow is ready. Write anything or change everything, depend your own choice. Okay, same thing here, pillow 1, pillow 2, pillow 3. You can import different design and change background on your choice. Okay, close it, close it. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password, all password in this app. Take care, Allah Hafiz.